So if you're planning to sell digital products on System.io and you are wondering kung ano ba yung mga digital products ang pwede mong ibenta. So here are my top 5 digital products that you can sell using System.io. By the way, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, my name is Rose. I'm a full-time mom at the same time a digital product seller and web and landing page designer. If you are interested sa mga topic na ginagawa ko, then make sure to hit that subscribe button para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. So it's been more than a year that I restart or revamp my digital product business with System.io. So ito po yung mga digital products na pwede mong ibenta sa platform. Number one is ebook. So an ebook is a digital book, no? Pwede mo siyang gawin through documents or Google Docs and then convert to PDF and sell it in the platform. Or pwede mo siyang gawin sa Canva. So make it sure na yung file na ibebenta mo sa System.io ay naka-PDF po siya para hindi siya ma-edit ng mga buyers mo. The second digital product is Canva templates. So kung mahilig ka gumawa ng mga Canva templates like mga planners, mga stickers, and mga designs and a lot more na pwede mong gawin sa Canva, as long as na meron siyang shareable na template link, ay pwede mo siyang ibenta using System.io. And if you're looking for tutorials kung paano gawin yung paggawa ng template link, then I already have a video tutorial on that. Just check the description of this video. And the third one is System.io templates. This could be funnel template or website template. Yes na yes if you are a web designer or a funnel designer or landing page designer. Kung mahilig ka gumawa ng mga template, then you can sell your designs no sa System.io. So i-share mo lang yung shareable link ng template mo and your buyer can get the link no and ma-copy and paste na din nila yan sa account nila kay System.io. So that way you will earn passive income. Okay. So the fourth one is online courses. So kung mahilig ka gumawa ng mga online courses, mga mini course, mga video course, ayan, pwede mo din siyang ibenta kay System.io kasi kay System.io ay pwede ka nang mag-upload ng mga courses mo and you can sell it to your audience. The fifth one is membership. So kung meron ka mga high-end programs tapos may mga membership, then you can add dun sa membership na subscription. Like magbabayad sila sa'yo monthly or yearly. Then you can do it also in System.io. So guys, those are my top 5 digital products that you can sell on System.io. So out of the top 5 guys, which one you are planning to sell digital products on System.io? Let me know in the comment section below.